Hi there and welcome to another Beaver Builder tutorial. In this video we're going to take a look at the design options available under the Style tab. Just a quick note, these options may vary depending on which module you're editing. For this tutorial I'll be using the button module since it includes a wide range of styling features that are useful for demonstration. That said, the skills you'll learn here are totally transferable to other modules too. Let's get started. Okay, so first up, width. You'll find three options here. Auto, the button size adjusts to its content. Full width stretches the button across the container. And custom lets you enter a fixed width manually. Use this to control the footprint of your button depending on the layout you're aiming for. Next, align. You can align your button left, center, or right within its column. This is especially helpful when using multiple columns or when designing mobile layouts. Now let's talk about padding. Padding controls the space inside the button between the edge of the button and the text. You can adjust top, right, bottom, and left independently or unlock the chain icon to set them individually. And remember, you can adjust all of these settings for different devices. Click the monitor icon next to any spacing field to switch between the responsive modes, or press the keyboard shortcut R to toggle responsive view. Now let's head into the text section. Here you can set the text color and text hover color. This lets you control how the text looks by default and how it changes when a user hovers. Under typography, you'll find detail controls. Font family. By default, this follows your theme, but you can override it at the module level. You can choose from system fonts or Google fonts built into Beaver Builder. Weight. Adjust how bold or light the text appears. Size, set the font size. Line height, adjust vertical spacing for better readability. Alignment, left, center, or right within the button. Style and spacing. This section gives you more visual control over the text itself. Spacing adjusts the letter spacing. Transform lets you change the case, such as uppercase or capitalize. Decoration adds underlines or strike-throughs. Style, choose between normal, italic, or oblique. Variant offers fine-tuned font options, depends on the font selected. Then we have text shadow. You can enable a shadow behind the text and control. Shadow color, X and Y offsets to position the shadow. Blur to soften or sharpen the shadow. Next is the background section. Under background style, you can choose none, color, gradient, or even a photo or video background depending on the module. Most often, you'll use background color for buttons. There's also a background hover option, which lets you change the background color when someone hovers over the button. This is a great way to create simple animations without using code. Now on to borders. In the general section, you can set the border style, color, and width for each side of the button, top, right, bottom, and left. You can use a solid line, dashed, dotted, or none at all. And don't forget about radius and shadow. Under radius, you can control how rounded the corners of your button are. You can set each corner individually, top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right. Then there's box shadow. This lets you add depth to your button with a shadow behind it. You can control shadow color, X and Y offsets, blur for softness, and spread, which expands or contracts the shadow. Finally, there's an option for border hover color, so you can change the border color when the button is hovered over. And that wraps up the style options. As you can see, Beaver Builder gives you detailed control over each module's appearance, allowing you to fine-tune everything from layout and color to typography and effects. Once you're happy with your changes, don't forget to click Save, then Done, and publish your changes. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. We read every comment and try to answer any questions you have. If you found this video useful, give us a like and consider subscribing. It really helps grow the channel. Please also consider sharing, as we really want to help the Beaver Builder community. For more hints and tips, visit learnbeaverbuilder.com, and we'll see you in the next one.